Beware of the person who keeps praising you all the time, because such a person is very dangerous. My father used to say, "Don't raise your voice. Improve your argument. Do not follow the majority. Follow the right way. If you want to be successful, you must respect one rule. Never lie to yourself." I don't trust words. I trust actions because people can tell you anything, but actions can tell you everything. Silence is the best answer to someone who doesn't value your words. A man who starts many things at once cannot complete any of them. A painful truth is always better than a hidden lie. Attitude, maturity, and mindset are more attractive than looks. Never cry for that person who doesn't know the value of your tears. Fake friends are like shadows. They follow you in the sun, but leave you in the dark. Do not allow negative thoughts to enter your mind, for they are the weeds that strangle confidence. Mistakes increases your experience. Experience decreases your mistakes. Everything will be okay in the end. If it's not okay, it's not the end. Never judge people by their past. People learn. People change. People move on. Never reply when you are angry. Never make a promise when you are happy. Never make a decision when you are sad. Sometimes the best thing you can do is keep your mouth shut and your eyes open. The truth always comes out in the end. The greatest enemy of knowledge is not ignorance. It is the illusion of knowledge. Never lie to someone who trusts you, and never trust someone who lies to you. Love is nothing without action. Trust is nothing without proof. And sorry is nothing without change. I will never forget those who came with lamp when I was in the dark. People will hurt you, and then they act like you hurt them. The truth is like a lion. You don't have to defend it. Let it loose. It will defend itself. Some people create their own storms, then get upset when it rains. Nearly all men can stand adversity, but if you want to test a man's character, give him power. One of the best lessons you can learn in life is to master how to remain calm. Never depends too much on anyone. Everyone changes when they meet new people. Your words start to lose value when your actions don't match. The punishment for a liar is that when he speaks the truth, no one believes him. Smart people think before they speak. Wise people think before they think. Two things define you: your patience when you have nothing, and your attitude when you have everything. I have noticed that even those who assert that everything is predestined and that we can change nothing about, it still look both ways before they cross the street. If you don't care about what people think, you already passed the first step of success. Before going to sleep every night, forgive everyone and sleep with a clean heart. The greatest gift you can give someone is your time. Because when you give your time, you are given a portion of your life that you will never get back. Keep your thoughts cleaner than pure water. As water drops, make a river. Thoughts make character and faith. The most powerful thing in life is our thinking, which has ability to change any situation. If you want to know someone's mind, listen to their words. If you want to know their heart, watch their actions. The mind acts like an enemy for those who do not control it. Don't believe in luck. Believe in hard work. There are two ways to be fooled. One is to believe what isn't true. The other is to refuse to believe what is true. Be kind, be happy. Both make your soul peaceful. Life is an echo. What you send out comes back. What you sow, you reap. What you give, you get. What you see in others exists in you. Anyone can say they care, but watch their actions, not their words. People don't respect you when you are available. They respect you when you are valuable. Anyone can find the dirt in someone. Be the one who finds the gold. When people laugh at you, don't react. Don't feel down. Wake up the lion inside you. Work hard in silence. Let your success make the noise. Respect is earned. Honesty is appreciated. Trust is gained. Loyalty is returned. When your parents are not rich, but still afford to give you a beautiful life, appreciate their sacrifices. Don't waste your life trying to impress others. Locks are never manufactured without a key. Similarly, God never gives problems without solutions. Only we need to have patience to unlock them. Stop trying to calm the storm. Calm yourself. The storm will pass. Excuses make today easier, but tomorrow harder. Discipline makes today hard, but tomorrow easier. Do not judge me by my successes. Judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again. Life is better when you don't care what other people think. If you don't want to slip up tomorrow, speak the truth today. When you accept yourself, the whole world accepts you. You only fail when you stop trying. Believing in yourself is the first secret of success. Your self-worth is more important than an unhealthy relationship. It always seems impossible until it's done. Jealousy is born from a feeling of inferiority. The person who considers himself to be inferior is jealous of others. Those who go ahead never remember those who are behind. Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. To know is to know that you know nothing. That is the meaning of true knowledge. People do not decide their futures. They decide their habits. And their habits decide their futures. It is wiser to be alone than to be in the wrong company. You are at your strongest when you are calm. A wild person with a calm mind can make anything. In the long run, we shape our lives and we shape ourselves. The process never ends until we die. And the choices we make are ultimately our own responsibility. A man's most urgent necessity is neither happiness or money. It is wisdom. For it is wisdom that he will need to navigate the turbulent waters of his day-to-day existence without succumbing to the ocean of turmoils or to the empty road of prescriptions.